How to delete TikTok messages from both sides. First of all, launch the TikTok application in your mobile device and make sure that you're logged in with your TikTok account. Once you land on your home page, now you have to navigate to your chat page by tapping on the inbox icon from the bottom of this interface. Once you tap on that inbox icon, you will get to inbox page. Here you have to open up any conversation with your friends on TikTok. After that, suppose you have a message sent to that account and you would like to remove this from both sides. For that, what you have to do is simply tap and hold on that message, and after you do that, there you will get multiple options such as reply, forward, copy, and there is a delete option as well. So simply tap on that delete icon, and after that, from this pop-up box you have to again tap on delete for everyone. And as soon as you do that, the message has been deleted, and there is a small sort of information that says message can be deleted within 3 minutes after sending. They may have already been seen or forwarded, and they may also be reported. So if the message has already been sent more than 3 minutes, then you won't be able to delete that from the both side. You will only be able to delete the message sent within 3 minutes. So with that on your mind, I hope this video helped you, and if you're new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.